Which high-pressure rain shower head is actually good? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're uncovering the best options that can transform your shower experience. Product number 1, Bozibo High Pressure Combo. The Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head caught my eye with its unique design and affordable price of $52.99. If you want a versatile shower experience that feels luxurious, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This shower head has 278 spray nozzles designed to give you that smooth, rain-like experience. Plus, it features a 12-inch square shape that ensures full body coverage. What I really liked is its 10 spray settings on the handheld shower, which means you can customize your shower to your liking, whether you're just rinsing off or having a full spa day. And with a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, you won't feel like you're stuck waiting for water to get warm. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the experience you get is well worth it. Just a heads up, if you're not comfortable with DIY, you might want to get someone to help you install it. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable shower experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional shower head design. Overall, for $52.99, you're getting great value for a high-quality shower experience. Now, if the installation concerns of the Bozibo bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Bozibo Dual Shower Head. Another option from Bozibo is their dual shower head, also priced at $52.99. If you're looking for something that combines flexibility and power, this one is definitely worth a serious look. This model also boasts that same 12-inch square design, making sure you're fully covered while showering. What sets it apart is the patented dual shower head design that allows you to switch from the rainfall shower to the handheld option easily. It also features 10 different spray settings, just like the previous model. The strong magnetic docking mechanism keeps everything in place, so you don't have to worry about it falling off mid-shower. With a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, you won't be left feeling shortchanged. Now, here's a downside. Some users found the handheld part could be a bit heavy for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you primarily use the overhead head, you won't really notice it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-pressure shower with versatile options for different needs. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter handheld option. For the price, it offers excellent features that can enhance your shower experience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more compact design.
Product number 3, SparkPod Premium Shower Head. The SparkPod Premium Shower Head, priced at $33.26, is a great option if you're looking for something a bit more compact but still powerful. If you want an easy installation and a refreshing rain shower, this is worth checking out. This 6-inch round shower head might seem small, but it offers high pressure with a maximum outflow of 1.8 gallons per minute. It features 90 easy-to-clean rubber jets that help prevent limescale buildup, so you'll always enjoy that luxury experience without the hassle of maintenance. Plus, it's designed for a quick installation with no tools required. Just screw it on to your existing shower arm. Now, some reviews mentioned it doesn't have as many spray settings as larger models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for simplicity and effectiveness, it may not be a deal breaker. Sometimes less is more, and this one delivers a consistent shower experience. This is perfect for you if simplicity and ease of installation are what you value most. Skip this one if you want multiple spray settings. At $33.26, it offers great value for those who want a straightforward shower upgrade. Now, if the limited settings of the SparkPod aren't your style, this next one might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Natia Adjustable Shower Set. The Natia Adjustable Shower Set comes in at $29.97, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. If you're after an adjustable shower experience without compromising on pressure, this is worth considering. What I love about this 10-inch shower head is the adjustable extension arm, which lets you easily change the angle and height to suit your needs. It features an ultra-thin design that helps boost water pressure, ensuring a luxurious shower experience. Plus, the high-quality silicone nozzles are designed to prevent limescale buildup, making maintenance a breeze. However, some users mention the nozzle's water flow can be inconsistent at times, but here's my take. For the price, you still get a strong shower experience that can be adjusted to fit your needs. This is perfect for you if you have a family and need an adaptable solution for different showering heights. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium feel. Overall, at $29.97, it's a fantastic deal for those wanting flexibility in their shower setup. Lastly, if the adjustable feature of the Nautia caught your attention, you might want to hear about our final recommendation.
Product number 5, High Pressure Rain Shower Set. We have the High Pressure Rain Shower Set, also around $29.97. If you want a complete package that includes both rainfall and handheld features, this is definitely worth a look. This set includes a 10-inch rainfall shower head and a handheld option, plus a 60-inch long shower hose. The design is sleek and the installation is tool-free, meaning you can set it up in minutes. It's made from stainless steel, ensuring durability and a long service life. This set is perfect for cleaning pets or kids due to its versatility. However, some users have reported that the hose can feel a bit stiff. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a flexible hose, that might be a concern. But overall, for those who want flexibility in their showering experience, it offers excellent versatility. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive solution that covers all your shower needs. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional setup. For $29.97, you're getting a lot of features without spending a fortune.
So to wrap it up, we've covered some great high-pressure rain shower heads. The Bozibo options stand out for their versatility and powerful features, while the SparkPod is a great choice for easy installation. The Nautia offers adjustable height at an affordable price, and the last set combines both rainfall and handheld options. Each of these products brings something unique to your shower experience, so choose the one that fits your needs best.